In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exchange Rev Points for money on Revolut. Currently, Rev Points on Revolut cannot be exchanged directly for cash. They are not designed as a currency but as a reward system that gives value in other ways. Revolut makes it clear that points are only redeemable for perks and partner rewards inside the app. If your aim is to withdraw them as money to your account, that option is not possible. The way you get value from Rev Points is by redeeming them for things like air miles, gift cards, hotel bookings, and even discounts when using Revolut Pay. For example, some users have successfully transferred their points to Turkish Airlines miles and then use those miles to purchase an Amazon gift card, which feels very close to turning points into spendable money. If you are trying to exchange your Rev Points, open the Revolut app and go to the Rewards or Rev Points section. There you will see all the current redemption options available in your region. Depending on where you are, the offers can vary, but airline miles and gift cards are among the most common. By choosing carefully, you can make your points stretch further and convert them into benefits that carry almost the same value as money, even though you cannot withdraw them as cash directly. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.